Part 3 of White Fang by Jack London, titled The Gods of the Wild, is a pivotal section that illustrates White Fang's difficult transition from wilderness to a form of civilization under human dominance. This part of the narrative reverses the theme explored in London's earlier work, The Call of the Wild, by showcasing White Fang's journey from the natural world into a human-dominated environment, marking a significant transformation in his life and character. White Fang, now living in an Indian camp, faces relentless persecution, particularly from Lip Lip, another dog who turns the entire pack against him. This constant bullying suppresses White Fang's more playful, puppy-like nature, forcing him into a state of continual vigilance and defensiveness. An encounter where White Fang cunningly uses his mother, Keisha, to injure Lip Lip exemplifies his growing cunning and survival instincts. The narrative takes a turn when Grey Beaver, needing to settle a debt, gives Keisha away to another Indian named Three Eagles. White Fang's desperate attempt to follow his mother, despite Grey Beaver's stern commands, results in a brutal beating from Grey Beaver, teaching White Fang a harsh lesson about obedience and the unforgiving hierarchy between him and the human gods. Now, isolated without Keisha, White Fang becomes an outcast, further honing his defensive and offensive skills against the attacks of Lip Lip and the other dogs. Despite the constant danger and his status as an outsider, White Fang remains in the camp, developing a complex relationship with Grey Beaver based on necessity rather than affection. An incident where White Fang deliberately stays behind as the camp moves to a hunting ground allows him to experience freedom, but also reveals to him the drawbacks of solitude and independence. He quickly realizes his dependence on the human camp for food, warmth, and security, cementing his bond with Grey Beaver upon his return. White Fang's introduction to sled pulling under Grey Beaver's son, Mitsa, signifies another adaptation to human demands. His subsequent rise to lead dog and subsequent tyranny over the other dogs highlight his dominance and intelligence, but also his growing ruthlessness, shaped by his environment and experiences. Interactions among humans, such as the defense of Mitsa from bullies and the confrontation with a young boy intent on harming White Fang, teach him complex lessons about justice, loyalty, and the intricate social structures of human society. These experiences underpin the evolving covenant between White Fang and Grey Beaver, wherein White Fang trades his freedom for sustenance and protection. Through his brief reunion with Kichi and survival during a famine, White Fang's character is further tested and developed. His successful hunting during the famine, confrontation and defeat of Lip Lip, and eventual return to Grey Beaver's camp after the famine's end demonstrate his adaptability, resilience, and complex allegiance to Grey Beaver as his master. Part 3 thus explores themes of survival, adaptation, and the complex dynamics of power and loyalty between humans and animals. White Fang's journey from the wild into a human-dominated existence is a compelling study of nature versus nurture, illustrating how environment and experiences shape character and destiny. Through White Fang's eyes, London offers insights into the brutality and beauty of the natural world and human society, questioning the essence of civilization and the bonds that tie humans and animals. Before you go, please let me know what you thought about this video down below in the comments. It makes my day to hear from you all. Over and out. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.